a Nile crocodile. 5 meters long, 700 kilos, and very hungry. His last square meal was nearly a year ago. The river's other residents aren't food, just a distraction. He is waiting for something bigger from over the horizon. The herds have arrived. It's time for the crocs to get into position. All eyes will be on the big guy. Only he has the power to tackle a full-grown wildebeest. After months on the march, the wildebeest are desperate to drink. But experience has taught the adults to be cautious. The water is just too inviting for a calf, unaware of the dangers within. But every wildebeest must take its chances and hope that its reflexes are faster than what many know lurks in the murky waters.